All right, we've got the COSLUS facial cleansing brush. Let's take it out of the box, give you a quick unboxing experience before we get a run through of the product. So here's the instruction manual. It comes in this nice little bag, nice little case. So that's nice, I always like that. And then it even comes in another nice little case right here. So let's see if I can get this open, and that's good. So it's nice and protected in there. And then it comes with this charging cable as well. And here is the device right here. All right, so the first thing, so actually this is what it looks like. As you can see, first thing is it just fits perfectly into your hand. It's got a nice vibe, it's nice and smooth. So it feels nice. But then you've got these bristles right here, which are extremely, they're fine, have sort of a softish, it's a softish vibe. But as you can see, there's these different modes. So in order to turn it on, you're going to hold down the power button right there, and then it's going to turn on. So the first mode is the strong mode. That is for oily skin. Then you're going to go to the normal mode, which is like normal skin. Soft mode, which is going to, each mode sort of slows down. Soft mode is for sensitive skin. Comfort mode is a pulsating, sort of like a massage type vibe. And then you've got the eye protector mode, which this heats up right here. This is where the bristles are at. Right here in the back corner, this part heats up, and it sort of relaxes the skin around your eyes right there. So that's amazing. Let's try it out. All right, so what you want to do, you want to wash your face and then also apply some facial cleanser. Turn it on to the mode you want. So I'm turning it back on. I'm going to do normal mode, and you're just going to sort of rub it around. Rub it around. Just massage the skin, exfoliate, open the pores. Clean. Nice clean vibe going on. That's what we want. So, and it feels nice. So I just like it. Anyways, stop looking around. This is it. Highly recommend.